So I got to wondering, how is that Sparkling Spiced Cider coming along? On April 14th, 2020, we started a Sparkling Spiced Cider.
Today, which is currently neither sparkling nor spiced.
Is it cider, though?
Let's find out.
We're not sure. Today is May 12th, 2020. So this has literally been going for about 4 weeks. And I hear everybody go, oh, but cider takes 7 to 10 days. Does it? Do the yeast know that? Because I don't think mine have ever been told that. This one is showing positive pressure. I still see little bubbles coming up. It is not done. However, I wanted to give you guys an update and just do a couple little interesting things here. So let's just pop that guy out and stick it over into Turbos. And I'm going to take a reading. Why am I taking a reading right now? Well, I'm going to see where it's at. We're also going to take a little sample, see what it tastes like, see if down the line what adjustments we might make, and see where it is. Is it done? Is it ready? It might be. It's cloudy. Oh, no, it's not. Wow, that's pretty darn clear. Okay. Smells like apples to me, too. Okay, something that's been coming up a lot is people are asking, how do I read this hydrometer thing? I don't know what it says. I don't know what's right, what's wrong. So let me show you what this is reading, which it is actually reading 1.002. All right, so as you can see by looking at that, it's 1.002. Now, what does that mean? That means it's very, very close to neutral. It's going to be very, very dry. And we did say a sweet spiced cider, so that means we got some work to do on this one. However, I do want to take a small taste. I don't really expect to like this.
Now, there's reasons why, and a lot of that has to do with what we used to
By the way,
this.
I'm pouring this back in because all of this was sanitized in
the red bucket of sanitization! Alright, so this is made with apples. Apples are naturally very high in malic acid. If you've heard the phrase malolactic
fermentation.
That is when malic acid is transformed via bacteria into lactic acid.
Which is not as harsh.
Right. It is a softer note. It is often described to as a milky texture. So it gives a nice soft mouthfeel, and it is not as pungent of an acid. So most apple brews, when young, are a little harsh.
This one's totally good. Totally awesome.
I don't believe him.
Actually, it's not that bad. It's acidic. I taste the acids that are in there. It needs time, but that's okay. This also went really dry.
Yeah.
It started at 1050, 1.050, and it went to 1002. I expected it to be dry. That puts it around 6% alcohol, okay?
But that's a nice alcoholic base for us to work on. And because when we started this out, we knew we were going to add to it, we're okay with that.
But I'm going to say this is very close to being finished. So close that I want to give it a couple weeks in primary and test again. So this video, we just wanted to kind of give you a heads up on what it's doing. It's going to be relatively short. I mean, how long are we now? We're at 7 minutes, so this might be a 5-6 minute video. I just wanted to give you an idea what's going on. A few people asked, and people are curious how we're going to make a dry cider into something sweet and sparkling. Just wait.
Stay tuned.
See. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.